Okay, so this video is to show you how to change your transfer case oil on a 2017 and up Nissan Rogue with a 2.5 liter engine. You'll need AWD gear oil, non-synthetic, oil pump, 10mm hex drive socket, some rags, and an oil pan. We get underneath the passenger side of the car. Right underneath the oil pan, you will see, if you look up, the transfer case. This is your drain plug. This is your fill plug all the way up here. I recommend putting some sort of covering over the top of this because the oil will drain down on top of it. And prior to draining your oil, you should take the car for a short drive just so the oil warms up a little bit and flows out a bit easier. This is being done the second time at 30,000 miles. I changed it once and it was extremely dirty and black, so I'm giving it one more drain and refill. So I have the fill bolt out and I'm going to pull the drain plug out right now. And the oil doesn't look too bad. This is what it looks like at 30,000 miles. And I've already drained and refilled it once since the oil was rather dirty the first time around. This looks pretty good. Next time I will change it is at 60,000 miles. This is just to show the location of the drain plug and refill on the differential for an all-wheel drive Nissan Rogue. We're underneath the back of the car. That's your differential. Drain plug up there, refill plug. A lot easier to get to than the transfer case. Same oil for both.